today. Gonna join these kids. Thank you, bro. So, today's video, we're just gonna be trolling kids. Since everyone's on a new update, they'll come to the ski map. We're just gonna cluster grenades. And yeah. So let's just wait. Okay. I'd like to formally apologize. What are you running from, bro?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
What are you running from? I said, what are you running from? Listen to me. What are you running from?
Because you're trying to kill me. I'm just trying to have fun. Like everyone
What
else.
are you running from?
Cause you have a grenade. It's not that obvious.
I'm gonna use it on you until you were hiding from me. There's a blue guy. Didn't you think I was gonna use it on him? Nice blue.
Can you have
Go, January!
Go down.
We're
Easy.
in danger.
3. Stop.
Okay. Alright.
Yo, you good, bro?
Nah, check to climb with the mountain, bro.
Oh.
Hey! How do I get back?
Ah! This ditch.
Oh no, battery 3%.
Okay, how much is in here? Ooh, it's a full load.
No.
Let's get ready.
You have fun.
Does anyone want to ski with me?
Yes! No! GG's to Gerald. I'm calling you a call for Gerald.
I can buy you a snow
Mines.
ski, not snowboard.
Well, mine's looking here. Yo, that was such a good hiding spot. That was such a good hiding spot.
Haha, yeah, shut up.
I'm gonna go skiing. Wait. Yeah. Are you looking for this?
Bro, don't be so. Ski shoes, green. Up there to kill people.
Wait, what about you try to snowboard around the, Yeah,
You
guys
missed!
go to
You
the-
missed! You missed!
Trying to kill each other inside the new area.
Yo, can somebody buy a snowboard for me?
Really deadly if I went.
Don't! Revive him. Trust me.
Can I help? Can I help?
Yes, I'll give you a snowboard. Just protect me. Here. No, do not. I'll give you.
Please, I'm a millionaire. I have 9 million. I can give you
Give me
everything.
snowboard.
I can give you.
Here's a snowboard.
everything.
Wait, can you take his ghost with you?
Take my phone.
Take his ghost with you, like while you're
Please just
skiing.
revive me.
What'd he do to you? What'd he do to you?
Just don't worry about it.
No, nothing. No, nothing. He's not. I didn't know.
But take it with you. You forgot your snowboard.
Okay.
You can have the snowboard. Just take the ghost with you. No. Yeah. And here's your snowboard. Probably get it. Oh. I'll buy you one in a sec. Wait, better, you can have this one. Here, kitty cat. Run. Go. Get out of here. Do not look back. Go. He's gonna come soon with grenades and stuff. Go. Yeah. Oh, and you guys want these like faster snowballs? You can snowboard. You can have one. Hey, wait. You want a fast snowboard? These are the fast ones.
Yo, wait, can I please have a snowboard?
Yeah. Oh wait, do you want the special one? They're faster.
Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, what's up? Wait, can I have a special one?
We're not dead. Oh wait.
Sorry about that.
Didn't work, bro. You didn't kill me.
I didn't think.
I'm still here, bro.
I'm gonna go sled. Please, nobody kill me. I just wanna have some good old peace.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna hide right here.
Can someone please buy me a snowboard? Pumpkin, can you buy me a
Wrong one, bro.
Wrong one? So you? Wait.
Easy. Imagine.
Hello?
Yo, after I killed him like 5 times. Alright, fine.
Yo.
Brody, let's go! Oh! Double kill!
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, extra cluster grenade. Don't mind if I do. Ooh, revolver. Ooh. Yo, you might want to get out of here. Trust me. What if
I can't. Whoa!
Oh, I caught him off guard.
What was that?
I'm taking you with me.
What was that?
Can I have that burrito?
You're trying to kill someone.
Yeah. Come on, guys, run.
Hey, dude, you know that's kind of easy to dodge.
There's no way. I'm
Yo!
just trying to play though.
Hello?
Yo! Get replay on.
Oh.
Yo, where am I doing this?
Barbecue chicken alert! Look, 60 alert!
Guys, help me. Run. Please explode him. It's gonna do its thing, right? It activated, right? Yeah. Cluster grenades takes like 16 years to explode. Come on, follow me, Red. Hi. Follow me.
No, I can't really get in, so I'm gonna grab a rocket so I can get in. I'm not good at parkour.
You could just use the zip line.
I could.
Oh my gosh.
You weren't even the one who killed me.
No, but that's kind of good music. What music is that?
Oh yes, the music from the key and the loading screen. It's really good. Where is he? I found where you are! It's not secret! Missed? It's gonna do it. It did its thing! Run. What the fuck? Yeah! Run! Go! This is bad. This is really bad.
Where am I?
Help, guys, protect me.
How do you even get out
Hide
of
me.
this area?
I said hide me.
Oh my.
Oh my god. Okay.
What was that? Okay,
don't worry about it.
Here. Scooby Abadoo, follow me. I'll get you a new sled too. I can give you a sled so you can get out of here.
No worries. I'm right here. Oh, where'd I go? Yo, did he recruit someone? That's a little scary. Yo, it's a little more. He's my target.
Dude, I can get you a sled. Where did he go?
Don't worry about it. I have the fastest sled. Hold on. Green? Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. No. No. We have to go. He's gonna blow me up.
There's no way. This one.
Where did?
Wait. Stand back, Red. I'm gonna get out of here, like right now, Green. Like right now. And you too, Purple.
Wait, why?
Hold on, wait.
Oh, okay. I'll get out of here.
Did he leave? Yeah, did he actually leave? He left. I wanna add this white guy, he's chill. Alright. Before I leave this code to do other stuff, I gotta get a couple more kills with these last cluster grenades. So right now, the little lobbies are kinda like a save haven. No one's fighting each other. So not. Ah!
I deserve that. You guys deserve me.
Alright.
But
Well,
what did I do?
I don't know, but gotta end this video off somehow. So, goodbye.
No, please.
And I'm just gonna write this thing. I'm hoping this goes wrong. Wait.